guys, I've got my mixture ready. I have mixed my L'Oreal bleach with a 9%, and I've also added this 10-8, and it is organic and mineral. I think this is from Adele's. I'm not sure if it's like one of their brands or if that's like whatever. It's not a brand I'm very familiar with, but ignore the background. We're in a bit of a new setting here now, and I'm just gonna get in and do these roots. I've got my mixture ready. I've got coconut oil all over my hair. Let's do it. Right, you guys, so I have done all like the front and sides of my hair. I'm now gonna go into my bathroom mirror and just do the back of my hair, and then I will be back. Right guys, I've got it all covered and I've got a cap on my head. The sun is so bright. I am in natural daylight, by the way, just so you guys know. So I'm gonna sit under my trusty hooded dryer. We are in the salon, by the way. Like I can't really show you it right now, but yeah, I am in my salon. I'm gonna sit under the hood dryer for a bit and let this process, and hopefully it's going to work. Wow, you guys, I cannot see anything right now, but just to let you guys know, I've washed it off and I've put some Lee Stafford purple conditioner or shampoo on, and I thought I'm just going to leave that shampoo in my hair for a little bit, and then I'm going to probably put a bit of a hair mask on, maybe even like a purpley tony hair mask, and then we will see what it looks like. So this is the end result of the hair, you guys. So I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, the roots are all done, it's all done, it's all dusted, and I'm now blonde again. Well, I was blonde anyway, but now I'm properly blonde. By the way, this is an Alice in Wonderland makeup thing that I have just done, so make sure you check that video out too. But if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I love seeing comments from you guys and replying to you guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.